Hello, all, welcome back. And so now let's start with DOM manipulation for this. Before we start, here I want to be this is key up event and this is going to be the input event. So let me get these two elements and apply the key up and input events. So let me get this. So this is having an ID called one second. Let me having an ID. So back to app.js. So math table. So first of all, um, let's take number elements is equal to this number element. I have an ID, so let's make the ID is required number. So copy. So document dot query selector of hash required number. Okay, and then you have to apply an event. So number element dot add event listener of key up event comma one function inside. So inside I need to get the value. So let the number is equal to, I just want to convert it to number. So let's take a number. um, I want this to be number el dot value. So you get the value of the number box to be the number, and this number I want to attach to this place here. Okay, so what is the ID of here? ID of that one is number. So what I do is directly document dot query selector of hash number dot inner text is equal to the number. So what happens whenever you apply the key up event, it gets the value and attach the value to the this number. So it means this value going to attach to here. So default is 1. So when you make it 15, see it updates. Okay, when you make 200, it updates in this way. Okay, let's make 15, 78, whatever. Okay, so it works fine. This is called key up events. And the next one, when I apply the input events, this value I want to update over here. So let's apply the input event on this one. So here again, let range range element is equal to document dot query selector of hash. So here I have an ID of multiplier, right? So we have an ID of multiplier. So let's make ID as slash multiplier, attach an event. So range el elements dot add event listener. Event is input event comma one function. Okay, so here I have to get the value of this and attach here. So how to get the value again? Dot value. So let's say let selected multiplier, okay, is equal to let's take a number conversion, and here range el dot value, you get the value, and this multiplier I want to attach to this element. So this element also having an ID. So let me check. It is having an ID called multiplies, but will confuse, right? It is be multiplier and multiplies. Let's take multi. Okay, let's take multi. Okay, so without I don't want you to confuse here. So let's take multi here. Document dot query selector of hash multi dot inner text is equal to selected multiplier. Okay, okay, so we have also made this part. So let's check now. When I move it on, see, starts from 1 to 10. Okay, and here whatever the number you enter is this way, and this is also updating. Fine. So one last thing what you have to update is this one. So this value is going to be, this is irrespective of these events. So it is always depends on this value into this value is gonna be the this value. So how you gonna do is I'll do one thing. Let's take a separate function called calculate. So let's calculate is equal to one arrow function. You can take normal function. I'm just writing an arrow function. Here I need to get this value and this value implement over here. So how to get this value is because of this element. So let me get this. Okay, so let's the number is equal to I just convert to a number. Okay, so document.result of number dot inner text, this particular text I'm converting back to a number, and let's multiplier is equal to, again I converting back to a number. So here again I think this is this one, copy that and paste it over here, multi of inner text. So you got the number and the multiplier, and multiplication I want to get it here. So let's result um, let's take math results is equal to the number into multiplier. Okay, and this results I want to attach over here. So this also having an element ID. The last ID is result. So let's take that one. Document dot query selector of hash pastage dot inner text is equal to math result. Okay, so but when to call this calculate is when you modify this number I want to calculate, when you modify this one I want to calculate. So let's call the calculate over here, and also when you apply the key up event and here also. So let's do a calculate here and here. So whatever you change it calculates and updates the results based on its value. So I think that's it. So let's check now. So let's modify 15. See, 15 ones are 15. When you make it 2, yes, it's working. Yes, and when you make it something called 18, it automatically updates and you can just see the 18's multiply table. So here actually I made it up to 10. You wanna make it 20, you just modify its max value will be you have it now. Max you just make it as 20, so it'll update to into 20 up to. Okay, so how much you want you can make it. So just make it up to 10. Okay, fine. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoy this, and thank you so much for watching. And this code I'm going to upload to the my GitHub account, and I'll share this link in this video description. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.